Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of line and you will click here in this page. Then here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.